I'm just sitting here.
The trip's coming down.
I got time.
It's cool.
It's clear to see. From a
Whoa, what's down here? My torch is no good.
small
Cool.
it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
We're off on another road trip. This time we're heading to the Waitomo Caves Road, where we find some hidden gems, caves, waterfalls and a natural bridge. But first we watched the sunrise over the Central Plateau Mountains. Just spectacular. So come along and see these wonderful natural beauties with us. Marokopa. Look at the amount of fog, it's adorable. There's a railway line down there. The sun's about to come up. Oh, good. We're at the Piripiri lookout.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
That's why there was an ostrich sign. Look. Hi, ostrich. Oh, Jesus. Whoa, what came out of it? Okay, let's go.
From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Mind you, I don't want to breathe all that in, do I? What a glorious sight. Oh dear me, I love it. Shoes too. Oh, it was a boot fence. Where does it go? On and on. Hear the flowing water. Neato. Someone's nearly got stuck. Digging. All the trucks are going on this road. We've noticed. But we're at the Mangapohue Natural Bridge. Scenic Reserve. Okay. beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Gorgeous. What was that noise? Is that you? Just one of these bridges. It's a moving one. It's coming out of the rock. How weird. I have no idea where it's coming from, because look. It's just cliff above. Weird. Okay, there's clearly a hole in there somewhere. One doesn't know. The drip's coming down. It's cool. That's the natural bridge. It's even echoey, isn't it? The Mangapohue Natural Bridge was probably once a large cave that, as it grew unstable, the roof collapsed, turning the cave into a gorge. The natural bridge is the only section of the roof remaining intact. The stalactite-like structures are different from the ones found in caves, as these are known as biocasts or epitrophic speleothems. That's Harry Potter-like, isn't it? Neat. Oh, I'd love to know what lives in there. Look at that. Might come out with you. Okay. There's the pathway. Just walked along. And the bridge we just crossed. Hey Bobby! How lovely! Right, I better climb back up. I hope I can get up. It's not too slippery. Let's go. Oh, easy is. Yay! again. Okay. Well, that was cool. We struck. We struck them. Oh wow. Right. Let's go. Whoa. What's down here? My torch is no good. Oh, look at them. Beach. Isn't it cool? Stalactites. Hang on tight for all your might. That's cool. Isn't it cool? Isn't it neat? Oh, up the hole. The entrance, you mean? Yeah. It's neato, huh? You doing? Sitting down? Funny little man. Aren't you? There we go. Huh. Nico palms. Gorgeous. Oh, more than a couple. Sheesh, there's a bunch of them here. Huh. Oh, look at these. Aren't they the coolest? Bright orange. They are so sweet. Exactly. Feel the moisture on there. Look at this. I love it. What a muddy mess. You try and avoid the mud. Really? Ideally, Bobby. Sheesh, it's muddy, isn't it? Well, look at that. There's another view, another angle. I'll be. Saw this little hut coming back from the falls. It's adorable, but look at these rocks. Aren't they neat? And it started to spit now too. Must be in Taranaki land. Sorry, Taranaki. This is Marokopa. I'll take a look at Marokopa. There's a famous anchor here. This anchor is off the boat, the Albatross, which foundered while attempting to cross the notorious Marokopa Bar in 1916. No lives were lost, but shipping ceased due to the dangerous bar. A river? Not sure what the river is. Wonder if it's Marokopa. Marokopa is mostly a farming settlement now, but in 1911 a dairy factory was built here, producing mainly butter, but closed in 1937. It used to have a post office and a school. Now, the nearest school is 20 kilometres away, Piripiri School. And Marokopa is the home of Tom Phillips and his 3 children who've been missing since December of 2021. It's still a mystery as to where they may be. We can only hope that they're all safe somewhere. Where the heck did it go? Can you see it? Oh, there. There it is. What's it going to do? Twice in one day, filling it up. Oh, there's not a rahui on it. Really? It's taking off again. Noisy helicopter. So there is a rahui from Apito Point in the north to Awakino Heads in the south. Oh, okay. No idea where that is, but it's somewhere. We'll check it out. Hope we don't go on the rahui, the forbidden area. This Waikawa tunnel was made by 3 men in 1911. Using only picks and shovels. It was easier for the farmers to drive cattle along the beach and through this tunnel than over the rough, hilly terrain above the tunnel. Okay, where's the driest bit? Here we go. This is drier. Oh, you can't see though, man. She's too bright. Oh wow, that's ridiculously bright, isn't it? comes out to. Look at that. Wild west coast of the North Island. Oh wow, so where's the road? We don't know. Oh, so we're not allowed down there. Is that what it's saying? Is that why this motorbike turned around? Pretty cool. Wow, neat, eh? Are there caravans here? You see all the caravans? Don't they? They love them. They're everywhere.
When they come white baiting.
We reached Awakino. Look at this. Isn't it cool? I don't know how safe it is though. I hope they're safe. Oh, is it safe? Is it safe? Neat. Look, there's a whole heap of them along this river. Don't know what the river is. Oh, isn't that cool? It just goes on and on and on. We'll have a look at Awakino. Awakino means bad creek, possibly relating to the muddy appearance of the river. And these small jetties are used as whitebaiting stations. It's our backpackers now. The old post office. Anyway. Okay. This is, oh yeah, Taranaki 1841. Okay. This is the Mokau mine. This mine washed ashore at the Mokau Heads in December of 1942 and was put on display after the war. Mystery over it being a German mine was questioned when it was discovered that Australia made mines in Geelong in World War II, and that several of these friendly mines that were laid out around Australia and New Zealand broke loose and floated away. It's pretty high up, isn't it? Oh, that's lovely. It's not big enough for the two of us, this swing. And then again, you might break the branch off. Bye-bye. Don't break the branch. Oh, what about that one? No. Mokau is on the sea. And here we are. Oh, who's this? John McIndoe, Black Mac, loved and missed. Oh, how sweet.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.